Hello everybody, today I'm going to be unopening a semi-blind packaging of the Garbage Pail Kids mystery minis. It says they're really big. I've got by my side here, just to compare the DC figures, and what I did here was I knew these were coming, and I asked my comic store if they could put one aside of all the regular figures, and I wasn't really interested if there were going to be any of the ultra rare ones. Like this one was Flash, and there was also a reverse Flash which was 1 in 72, but I think these were 1 in 12, and there was a White Lantern Batman which was also 1 in 72. But all of these are the only ones you can get, and they're all regular 1 in 12. So I asked if they could just put one of, because I know that they open all of these mystery minis and then just sell them, put them back in the boxes, because they're very easy to put back in the boxes, these Funko figures, and then just sell me one of each. And they said that will be no problem, so I was very happy with that. I grew up with Garbage Pail Kids. I've still got the stickers, and if you lived in the late 80s you would know all about Garbage Pail Kids, even the awful movie. I've already got Adam Bomb, the 6-inch figure. I've already paid for him. So let's get on with these. So just looking at the box again, I think Adam Bomb is like the icon for Garbage Pail Kids. No one represents them more. To read up on them, the Garbage Pail Kid figures in this collection are inspired by the original Garbage Pail Kids figures collectible sticker cards, introduced by Topps in 1985. Combining spectacular artwork and over-the-top satire, the original sticker series was an inspiring collaboration between avant-garde cartoonists and humorists, including Art Spiegelman, who I admire so much, Mark Newgarden, John Pound again, and Tom Bunk. I love him, does lots of work for Mad Magazine, Jay Lynch and others. Topps and Funko invite you, our new generation of Garbage Pail Kids fans, to continue to enjoy this popular culture phenomenon. And nothing at the bottom that isn't normal, and that's about it. So as I said, it's very easy to open these up. They are collector friendly basically, but I am using one hand this today, so you'll have to excuse me. Oh, they are big. And this is New Wave Dave. So yeah, if you just get a size comparison, I've also got Deathstroke. They are pretty big. So there's New Wave Dave, pretty cool. I like the how they did the reflectiveness on the glasses. And the arms do move, but I am a bit cautious as to the arms. They don't seem to be totally in. A bit of quality control maybe there. So I'll put those to the side for now. He keeps on falling over. Bad boy. Okay, this is Hot Scott. That's his tooth. Nice dimples on him. It's good that they do, Funkos at last do have a bit of articulation. I'm not too sure what to do about the boxes. I suppose I'll keep one or two. Oh god, this is a big one. Oh, this is Clark Kent, and the glasses. Oh, that's pretty gross. I don't know if you can make that out, but he's got a bit of stain on the front. There's a nice nice bit of detail there. Yeah, the glasses could be a bit better. But yeah, these are certainly big. I'm loving the comics that IDW are doing as well, especially with the special card. Dead Ted doesn't really come off as the colour is a bit wrong. Could be a bit better in colour, I think, but other than that, it looks great. I like the maggot coming out of his skull, and some nice printing going on, and the one eye. So far so good. And this is Alligator. It's not so much a memorable one in my opinion, but still cool. I like the fish in his mouth, and the scales are pretty good. Maybe they're saving some of the more memorable ones for season 2. Yeah, this one I've been looking forward to. It is Ghoulish Ashley. That is classic. I really would have liked Potty Scotty, come to think of it, just thinking of what ones I would have liked. That one really is good though, I do like that one. Nice work on the braces. I'm just going to stop it there and open all the tops because it will save some time. I'll be back in a... Okay, sorry about that. I just thought I normally do this two-handed, but seeing as I don't have my tripod available with me, it's much more difficult doing it one-handed. The only time that I need a tripod and I can't have one. So, nasty Nick now. Just focusing on the back. There we go. Typical vampire. We got Leaky Lindsay. Would have liked a bit more snot maybe, but still a cool one. Alright, so it's printed on the uniform. I suppose that's a good way of doing it. Yeah, some nice snot there. I don't think that's going to stand. She's top heavy and they're all going over. Oh well. This one's pretty good. Bony Tony. It's a neat concept. Works all the way around as well. I suppose they could have done variants, as in seeing as every Garbage Pail kid had 2 names. They could have done the hard to get one with the variant name. For those die-hard fans. Oh. Looks like Adam Bomb's a 2-piecer. Sorry, I've got to put the camera down for a sec. Oh, that looks fantastic. Nice paint, well, shading, I suppose. Does it come with a... Yeah, I just realised they do come with accessories as well. Okay, sorry about that break. I didn't realise that quite a few came with accessories, so had to take those out. Had to go back and look through all the bags. Okay, so next we have TV Stevie, and I've learnt my lesson now. Go in and look for the TV remote. And I've got to put the camera down again. Jeez. He's pretty juiced out by the looks of it. I think he's had enough of the Garbage Pail Kids film. Probably one of the worst films ever made, if you can call it a film. I think he's got a bit of a beer belly as well. Sitting watching too much TV. Alright, 2 more to go and we're done. I don't actually remember this one, Mad Mike. He's got a bit of a mullet going on. Typical 80s. Probably a take on Conan or something like that. And his sword's broken, as it should be. He's also got an axe. A smaller axe. And the last one, oh no, I've done that. I think that's it. Let's have a check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, that's it. So a pan over. I think they're pretty awesome myself. The size. You definitely see the size difference. I hope we get some more this size. They're sort of in between this size and pop vinyls, sort of mini vinyls. I think my favourites I've got to say Adam Bomb and Clark Kent and Ghoulish Ashley and Bony Tony as well. I love Bony Tony, but maybe not Clark Kent just because of the stain on his underpants. I think that's just brilliant. I can't wait to get the 6-inch version of Adam Bomb though. That's going to be great. And here's hoping for more. I think these will sell well. Okay, so there's Mad Mike armed to the teeth with his broken weapons. Doesn't seem to affect him though. So I'd love to hear if you were a child of the Garbage Pail Kids, or even what inspired them, the Cabbage Patch dolls. And if so, which ones did you like best? Do you still have some? I think I did a video on the book that was put out recently that collected all the stickers and put them into a book. There should be a video of that on my YouTube channel. I really highly recommend getting that book, even if you did not get the stickers, because it's the artwork in it is just fantastic. I'd love to hear what are your favourites, and if you like these, which ones do you like? And just go over quickly the accessories that I never shown, as I showed here. He comes with an axe and a broken sword. New Wave Dave comes with an aerosol can. Alligator comes with another fish. If I can get it to focus. Yeah, there we go. And Hot Scott comes with a trident. So it's good that they come with other stuff as well. Adam Bomb comes with the red button. I think you can see there. And I think that is it. TV Stevie comes with a remote control, of course. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. Sorry it was a long one. Sorry there were lots of cuts in it. Take care. Bye for now.